Hi, it's Andre Cilliers here. I want to tell you a little bit about this Portia dentatus here. I moved this plant 13 years ago. It was probably half the size. And it's a female. It's only coned once that I've ever seen, and the cones are massive. It's a beautiful plant. You can see it's very, very big. One doesn't see these much in collections at size like this because Portia dentatus doesn't plant very easily. It doesn't transplant easily. When I brought this one year, the head actually started rotting on the back end. And I was very fortunate I managed to save it quickly. And the way one does that is you use copper. Copper is the only fungicide and bactericide that there is no known resistance towards copper. So you're not going to use a synthetic chemical that is going to, that could run the risk of not controlling the problem. So head rot like that, you use copper, and I sprayed this thing plenty copper. What's interesting about this plant as well is that every year on Christmas Day, this plant makes new leaves. And when Christmas comes around, it's either very, very close or it's just started. But this plant, 25th of December, is when it makes new leaves. All right.